through a samba. I'm sorry, my love. Well, I mean, that's what I did.
Harriet, I think this is kind of, you look beautiful. And what I noticed about your dancing was you dance that dance with a lot of love. And I could feel it. You're very tender. You have of the most beautiful hands when you dance. However, the samba is much more than those things, and it was lacking most of the other things. But I will say, no, I don't mean to cut you down. I really want to salute you for the love that you put into that dance.
First of all, I just want to say thank you for loving the cats and for taking care of them and for protecting them. You know what I mean? Also, huge at 10 for costume and hair and makeup. Just, it's a thing. But I will say the dancing was, there was a lot of bounce, there was a lot of rhythm, which is what samba is. But with that said, you're doing it. You're out here.
Right up there.
So, every dancer is on here.
Wing it at the wall, man.
Pasha, you took it times 10. Okay, so
Oh.
Carol, I'm sure
That's
everybody
her
knew
little
that
heart.
you were going to dance to the Lion King tonight.
What is
How
this?
does Pasha compare to the real cats? That's what everybody's mind. He's a little bit safer than the real cats are, but he's just as demanding. And how are you feeling right now?
She's definitely not Lady in the Tramp.
Derek,
4.
Bruno Antonio, oh dear, gets ready. Great.
Swelling over there. We've got a 12 out of 30 for Carol and Pasha. You guys take a break. We're going to see you guys for the results. All right, and when you go home on abc.com, you can change your votes until voting closes during the last commercial break. You got it? You can kind of change
She's like,
that.
I'm done with this
So last
spaghetti.
week,
It's
just
all over her
before we went
paw.
live, an injury nearly prevented our Bachelorette star
Dude, she's got a piece stuck
from
out her paw. It's freaking her out.
that pain. She claimed the highest
She's
individual score of the night. So let's see how the week went for Caitlin Bristow. It's our turn.
So tell me, how did you feel about last week?
Considering the ankle situation, I felt really good about our dance.
Wow, that's how you dance with an injured foot. I would have loved to see that without an injury.
Oh, it's stuck on her paw.
Somehow pulled off the first 8 of the season, and it felt extremely motivating.
So, it's a brand new week ahead of us.
She's up for
And there's
it.
gonna be Disney.
Poor dog.
And Disney,
Aw.
my favorite. I've seen Moana probably 50 times.
Little nice spaghetti on your paws.
She comes from this island, and that's